is a great technique if you've got an open plan space and you want to zone out an area by going for a stronger colour on the lower level and going for a lighter colour above. It actually makes your room feel taller. We've got that lovely warm neutral on the walls, paired with the lovely teal, which makes a bedroom feel super calm. If your house is all neutral and you want to bring some colour in, or if you love colour and your partner loves a lighter scheme, this is a great compromise. Painting your woodwork. Woodwork in a darker colour actually tricks the eye and makes the walls and ceilings appear lighter. I want you to look at your ceiling as your fifth wall. It's such a large area that it deserves attention. By painting it in a colour, you can alter the proportion size of a room, which is perfect if you've got a dining space like this and you want to create a bit of a mood. I want you to do a darker colour. Colour drenching is when you take one colour and you paint all the surfaces in it. I'm going to encourage you to do a tonal drench scheme. That's where you pick one colour and you play with the weight of it. So you go for a darker pink down to a lighter pink in your soft furnishings. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you for joining us on our painting series, and I hope to see you all really soon.